Yeah, can I get a burrito? Yeah. That's damn near stealing. That look like the whole thing. And they finna go right in here. You lying. You fucking lying.
Boy, that's for emergency, nigga. You feel me? She gotta clean up. What she gonna clean up with?
I would've just bought paper towel at that goddamn point, bro. But you got a bowl too, or no? You got a burrito?
And I got the Rito.
That bitch thick. How big is yours?
That motherfucker thick. Thicker than a snickle. Thicker than cold gravy.
Damn, my bad, Brody. My bad, Brody. What about my hoodie though? Alright, let's see what this is.
That bitch smacking.
Okay. Man, bro. So what was it like working at Qdoba, Brody?
Man, dealing with a whole bunch of bullshit. I ain't even gonna cap to you.
You hit any bitches at work?
A few of them. A couple of them. Supervisors, managers.
What?
Mamas and daddies, I mean.
Nah, bro, this hit me.
I'm telling you.
I'm just
All right, D.
What?
I got a question for you.
What's up?
You gonna answer it?
Yeah.
All right. You got two choices. Two choices only. Watch your parents have sex for a whole year or join in once to stop it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? That's crazy.
Damn. Decisions.
How your parents, you said watch your parents.
Watch your parents have sex for one whole 365 consecutive days.
Why?
Or join in just one time. Just once.
Doing what specifically? Like
Hey,
having intercourse
whatever
with
your
them?
dad doing, or if you a female, whatever your mama doing, y'all gotta trade places.
That is crazy.
Hey,
And then you gotta watch them for a whole year.
consecutive 365 days. I don't know
Yeah,
who the fuck can fuck for 365
Yeah,
days, but
I might have to just join in for the one time. I'm not even gonna lie.
you join in, I feel that. I was talking about, bro, you see that one game last night?
Bro, you're not finna change the subject.
You know?
What you doing, bro?
I don't know, bro. Completing the fifth, that's what I'm doing. I ain't
You
gonna
had
count
me answer it? No, what's the craziest place you ever fucked, bro?
craziest place. Like, believe it or not, you probably gonna live up Catholic, bro. In school.
Wow.
Oh, no, I believe. There's a lot of niggas that probably got away with that shit. Where at in school?
In the bathroom.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But you know how Chip had that LGBTQRZXY bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. No disrespect, but yeah. Everyone in the bathroom locked the door. And it was so bad, niggas nervous, nigga couldn't nut.
That was your first time?
No, I'm just saying, like being in the school,
Oh.
like every time she heard something, stop. That motherfucker. She gotta work it back up. Stop. That shit. Probably the bathroom, and then got hid in the library. Yeah,
Where?
in the library.
It was open.
So you walk in the library, right?
Mm-hmm.
At the back, that door, the emergency exit, all the way to the left.
Oh,
Left
yeah.
back corner. That's where it was.
Damn, so they got
Put two chairs right there. Put your book bag on both chairs, so you know how they had the lines in them. So you can damn near see straight through them. Put the book bag right there. She can't see her. Got the bending. There wasn't nobody for real in there. It was just like a couple people. They was all like,
minding their business.
yeah. But the only thing I was worried about was the fucking Miss fucking her name. Miss Harrington? Hesington? I don't fucking know. Her classroom, you know that Like some classrooms had the glass of the library.
Mm-hmm.
That was the only thing I was worried about.
Yeah.
Other than that, though, boy, nigga got down.
I'm just trying to figure out what you be spitting to him to be like, you know what, give me some head in the middle of the motherfucking library. Cause ain't no way. He must have been fiending for it.
I ain't gonna cap. He came to me with the idea.
Wait, so y'all went from the library?
No, this was two separate times. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, these two separate times, but.
K-Band.
But it was like about the same, like 2 weeks apart.
Damn. Some horny little bastards.
Man. That's why, bro, I'm so scared for my little sister, dog. She in middle school. I'm like, she on the phone with niggas and shit. I'm
Oh
like,
yeah, nah, bro. I don't know, bro. That's the thing.
But it's just like, fuck. I ain't about to be that brother.
Yeah. See, that's just, like my sisters. They be expecting me like if they got a problem with a nigga, they expect me to come. Like nigga, what?
Right.
That's your business. If a nigga do whatever it do, you know what I'm saying? That ain't. I understand if you put your hands on you.
That's a whole different ballgame.
But
Like,
yeah.
you talking about cheat? Or like,
Yeah, no, that's
you call him doing some grimy shit or something? And like, that's on you. That obviously wasn't your nigga type shit.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it.
Bro,
they can't hear it type shit.
this shit slap.
I thought I got food all in my damn hand. Nigga, you ain't lying though, boy. Hey, I'm telling y'all, look at this motherfucker. Look at that bitch. Ooh! Ooh!
Your shit way bigger than mine. Pause.
yeah, pause.
Wait, is your shit bigger than mine? Imagine nigga just walking up to you. Y'all not
Let me
even
see your
full
shit.
yet.
Let me see. Nigga, what? Get the fuck up.
Nigga, whip it out for the one time.
Hell no, nigga. Boy. I ain't gonna cap, boy. These jalapenos and me.
I don't know if I can finish this, so I ain't even gonna lie. I might take this bitch for
Yeah, don't tear yourself up, because you will tear yourself up. You stuff yourself with this shit, nigga.
Bro.
Cause it ain't nothing but Mexican cheese and beans and rice, nigga.
It's gonna be sitting on the toilet.
What?
Let me get a thumbnail for this hoe.
Go ahead. I be loving that shit when niggas leave that in the video.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
K-Band.
But no. What's new with you, D? What's up?
My shit, bro.
Let me YouTube into your life, man. This Obama right here. I can't get a hold of this nigga.
Obama? What?
This is Obama.
Nigga, what?
You gotta call Michelle to get a hold of him.
Bro, you a motherfucking lie. Nah, bro, this nigga Trey be sleep, bro. He's a working man, but at the same time, it's like, damn, nigga, I thought you loved me. I thought I loved you. And that's what's so crazy, bro.
What's that?
The years go over, right? I mean, years pass. I mean, time pass or whatever.
Right.
And you don't realize how long you with somebody or you be cool with somebody until you, like, really think about it.
Think about it, like y'all niggas. Like I feel like I done known y'all niggas damn near my whole life type shit. Since I was a jit type. You know, I know y'all niggas for how much, like 4 years, 5 years tops. And some niggas less, cause I like met them like a couple years after I moved here type shit. So.
Yeah. I knew of you because we
Right.
had that one Spanish teacher.
Miss She was bad.
She was getting pregnant.
Every fucking week, nigga. I don't know how, but what?
Her husband was making sure they was getting to it. Do you get paid on maternity leave?
Hell yeah. That's why it's called maternity leave, boy. You still get that money.
That shit crazy. Yeah, bro, I'm a skinny nigga, bro. I need to put some weight on. Trey, like if you, like, nigga, what?
What?
Nigga, we both put some weight on, it'd be over.
Man, what? You get shredded in this bitch? Ain't that right? Ain't that right, ladies? You better let a nigga know.
But what you on this summer, bro?
Man,
You gonna be for the streets or you gonna be booed up?
boy,
Like
I'm a
Mark?
whole rat this summer, nigga. I'm a whole rat.
I don't know. I don't like that term rat. Cause you,